हम लोग जा रहे हैं सकलेशपुर। ये है दया सर, मेजर दया सर। और ये मुझे बोल रहे हैं बच्चे आप बच्चे हो जाएंगे, कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे हम।
ट्रैवल एज मच एज यू कैन।
यस, ट्रैवल एज मच एज यू कैन, और बच्चे मत करो।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोला मैंने, ऐसा नहीं बोला।
तो इन सकलेशपुर वी आर गोइंग टू द नीरवाना रिजॉर्ट। 15 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे हम। 15 मिनट, 15 मिनट्स, 20 मिनट्स। हम लोग 20 मिनट्स में पहुंच जाएंगे।
बस के अंदर अलग ही बकैती चल रही थी और मैं बस के बाहर वाले हिस्से में अलग ही बकैती कर रही थी। ये है बस के बाहर का व्यू और ये है बस के अंदर के नज़ारे। This is Dheeraj. He is tired singing and dancing and he has taken full responsibility of the bus entertainment today.
This is the Nirvana resort. We are entering this from our bus. Our bus is going to go inside. Hi. This is the youngest member of our team. This is the youngest member of our team. Her name is Ishika. Say hi again. Hi. That is water. We are going in water. Are we going in water? Yes. Yes. Say. Is our Nirvana resort. That is the pool. We are going to jump in the pool right now. These are all the people. And she's going to jump! Jump, 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 jump! This is the beautiful pool. And now we are going to my room, okay? This is my room. We are going. Come back to me. She's going to play with me. No, Ishika, come to play with me, no? Oh, wow. Now Ishika is going to show you our room. Is our room. Wait, I'll put on the light. This is the room with lights on. Here we have a duvet and TV and everything, and this cute little bed. It's so romantic. I think it could have some curtains. It would be even more cuter. And my husband has come ready for the pool.
Yeah.
But we are not going to the pool. We are going for the lunch. We thought of going to the pool after having our lunch, but I'm not sure. He's ready. He's already at the pool with his speaker. I'll show you. आया तुझको तरस नहीं आया तुझको। हमारे पूल में जाने का प्लान नहीं था, बट हम लोग फिर भी एक डाइव मार के आ गए हैं।
Yeah. Lady me, five cigar, चला सूट, शफका, चला सूट, बस इतने आता है।
मतलब किसी को मतलब पता चला?
मदर millionaire.
यस, ये सही लिरिक्स थे। अभी हम जा रहे हैं खाना खाने, तो अपेरेंटली उन्होंने बोला लेट होगा, बट जल्दी हो गया है खाना, तो हम खाना खाने जा रहे हैं। आई लुक वेरी क्यूट। धीरज, गिव मी अ किस। आई लुक मोर क्यूट नाउ। Today, Dheeraj.
I'm feeling powerful, most entertaining, most live, less like that body.
It's a very cozy place. And from the canteen, there's the stairs that go up. Or from the stairs, and there is this beautiful view of this entire place. From here you can see the entrance, and there's a beautiful sunset happening here. For me, everything is beautiful. We're out from the pool, had our tea, and we are heading to some more activities. Oh, I might fall here. Very steep. It is so tiny. I have to get down like this. There is some photo shoot happening, guys. कप कॉफी पी गए? सॉरी, कितने कप चाय पी गए हो? सॉरी, 3 कितने पकोड़े खाए आपने?
आपसे एक कम।
Game of badminton here.
having doubles. It's a cute play area kind of place. We have some rope climbing and some swing and more rope climbing. Found this lake kind of place here. There is there's a bridge also. I'll show you. Bridge where people are trying to cross it. Did you cross it?
Can you hold?
Okay. Are you gonna shake the bridge for him?
No. No, I don't care. Go fast, Arjun! Please stop doing this!
So we have this big size adult kid sitting here right on these tiny toys. We are waiting when one of them will break. This is what I was waiting for. There is a beautiful sunset happening. अभी शाम के 7 बज रहे हैं and it is pretty cold. Like pretty cold. हम गर्म कपड़े लेके ही नहीं आए हैं. हम ये डंगरी में पहन के आ गए. It's hardly 2 hours from Mangalore, but it is pretty cold. Started a bonfire right here. We finished the indoor games and come for the bonfire. The bonfire. So this is day 2 of our picnic thing. We have come to this cutesy waterfall. I don't know how cute it is. We are on our way. So we are on our way to this waterfall thingy. It's a small trek, like around 100 meters. Let's just go and see how that works.
Hi.
So we are going to this waterfall.
Yes.
Which is like down these stairs. We are climbing down the stairs right now.
Stairs, yeah.
You're repeating what I'm repeating.
Yeah.
What am I saying?
I'm repeating. What are you saying?
What are you saying? What am I saying?
You're saying there are stairs.
तो हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या करने वाले हैं अभी?
हम लोग अभी जाने वाले हैं वाटरफॉल में. 2 तो 4 5 6 जोक अपने शरीर पे चिपकाएंगे.
क्या चिपकाएंगे?
जोक.
कौन से जोक?
लीच.
जोक.
So that we can donate blood because we have not donated blood. But for this blood donation, we'll not get blood donation leave. So I'm sad. But let's see what happens. Yeah.
I guess it will get reimbursed.
Yo. My blood will get reimbursed, then I'll donate every 3 months.
So these are the stairs. Speaker नहीं लाए. तो हम लोग चले जा रहे ख़त्म नहीं हो रहे 100 मीटर्स. ये लगता है 100 मीटर्स नहीं है, वो बस बोलने के लिए 100 मीटर्स है. ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा है ये. अभी मुझे एक गंदा सा तालाब जैसा दिख रहा है कुछ. देखते हैं आगे जाके क्या है. There is गोबर also. This is गोबर and that is that गंदा सा तालाब. अभी हमको ये ब्रिज जैसा क्रॉस करना है. छोटा सा ब्रिज है. पता नहीं वाटरफॉल कहाँ है. आवाज़ तो आ रही है पानी की. इधर लोग नहा रहे हैं और हाँ इधर छोटा सा झरना भी दिख रहा है. आप देख सकते हो शायद. पहले इसने यहाँ पे पुशअप्स करने शुरू कर दिए. एक टांग पे करोगे? अभी एक टांग पे पुशअप्स करेगा. वूहू. तो अपेरेंटली हमको वाटरफॉल नहीं मिला है. दे आर टेलिंग दैट इस पानी में हम जाके कूद सकते हैं, खेल सकते हैं. बट आई फील कि Mangalore has way better waterfalls and it is way more fun. मज़ा नहीं आया. It's just a water body. गंदा सा तालाब है ये. मज़ा नहीं आया.
Water, we have come to see waterfall. Water has already fallen and we have just water dead body.
So this is the water dead body. I don't know. Water dead body, guys.
लोग नहा रहे हैं. अभी अगर कोई कुछ होता है, पुल टूटता है तो अरे
कोई है तो तुम ले आओ 2-4 डाल देंगे.
अभी हम इस डेड बॉडी को फॉलो करके हम वाटरफॉल को ट्रेस करेंगे. वाटरफॉल ट्रेस करने के लिए कहाँ से जाना है आई डोंट नो. आई हैव लॉस्ट माई हस्बैंड. ही हैज गॉन समवेयर. हाउ इज देयर. दिस इज द फॉलिंग वाटर.
waterfall.
हाँ ब्रो, इतना क्लाइम करने के बाद अभी हम यहाँ से नीचे उतरे. वो लोग पता नहीं कहाँ से आए हैं. We finally spotted the waterfall. This is the waterfall. Now I have to go all over there in order to reach the place. वही कितनी मुश्किल से चढ़ी हूँ. अभी उतरना भी पड़ेगा मुझे. उतरते हैं, मजा आएगा. चलिए. I don't know if you can see the slope. It is very scary and it's slippery. Okay. Yes.
आराम से बैठिए, आराम से पूरा मत बैठो. Just have a grip and keep coming.
हाँ, मेरे शूज में ग्रिप नहीं है यार.
हाथों का इस्तेमाल करो. हाथों से ग्रिप बनाओ.
हाँ. Okay. Can do it. I'm almost there. तो पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है, बट इतना तो हो गया है. थोड़ा सा और बाकी है. 10%.
लो ना स्विमिंग.
है?
यही बचा जगह है, बचा लोगी ना.
मत जाओ. So apparently me and Dheeraj took a dip in the water. I could not record that as going in water, but we did go in water because this is the proof. My Nangu Pungu husband is changing. He's trying to change. I don't know why he's not changing. Why aren't you changing?
Because I don't have this.
Now, huh?
Hold this one there.
Take this, take this. Oh god, it was a fun swim. The waters were really cold, like really cold. मैंने जो भी काजल वाजल लगाया था सब मिट चुका है. But I still look pretty though. Oh भाई, थक गई. तुम भी थक गए क्या? वाह, क्या थक गए.
This is our victory flag. Victory.
तेरी चड्डी है वो.
Victory. We got this out because of the waterfall.
पर सच बताओ, बड़ा मजा आया. ठंडा ठंडा फ्रेश पानी था एकदम. आई थिंक मेरा काजल फैल गया है. हाँ, कहीं नहीं. अभी हम जा रहे हैं वापस बस की तरफ, जहाँ सब लोग हमारा इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक उनको फिर से भूख लग गई है. अभी खाना खा के आए थे, अभी फिर भूख लग गई है आई गेस. हाँ, एक्चुअली मैंने और धीरज ने दोनों ने मोशन सिकनेस वाली दवाई खाई थी. एंड दवाई खाने के बाद ऐसी नींद आई ना, ऐसी नींद आई पूछो मत. हाँ, ना हम बैठ पा रहे थे, ना सो पा रहे थे, कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे थे. हम बहुत बेचैनी सी हो रही थी. फिर उन्होंने बस रोक दी और हम पहुंच गए वाटरफॉल्स. धीरज कह रहा है वैष्णो देवी आ गई. हम चढ़े जा रहे हैं. इनका 100 मीटर ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है. आई थिंक ये अराउंड आधे किलोमीटर या 1 किलोमीटर का होगा. आधे किलोमीटर का तो होगा. हाँ, इतना चल लिए हम. तो आई गेस अपना ये उतरा चढ़ाव और पानी में जाके बाहर आना लगभग 1 घंटा हो गया है हमको, पता नहीं चला टाइम का, बट इट वॉज डेफिनेटली फन।
तो हम लोग आ गए हैं। I don't know, this is like they're saying this is Bisle Ghat. I don't know what is in Bisle Ghat. There are no signals at all, and we found this small cutesy shop kind of thing, and we're having our lunch. This is all we could find in the entire Ghat area. This is the only hotel we could find, and they're saying that the next hotel might be an hour away and we might not get food. So whatever we have, we can get, we are grabbing, we are eating. You want to say something?
हाँ सवाल था।
So boring, no? So boring he is.
I'm going.
When there is no camera, he becomes very entertaining, very interesting person. And when camera is in front of him, he becomes very boring.
Double personality he is.
तो उस खाने वाली जगह से हम लोग निकल चुके हैं। वी आर ऑन आवर वे टू सी अ व्यू।
From a viewpoint.
from
our viewpoint.
From our point of view.
हाँ sorry.
So we are going to see a viewpoint where we have to walk this pathway, and we'll come across this place. So this is the passage. Like, I honestly don't see a point in going to see a viewpoint.
Taking a lot of efforts.
Like, I understand the efforts. See, this is so normal. I can see.
View or
Can you
viewpoint
please
for him.
repeat?
If a person wants to do suicide, for that person this is a very good point. But viewpoint, what?
See, if you're going to any hill station, Ooty, Munnar, Kodaikanal, the journey, you see these mountains on the way only. Hey, what is the point? This is exactly what you see on all the mountains when you reach the mountains.
Still people.
So they've made this standing point from where we can just stand and see the view. I'll show you the view. So this forest is exactly what is our view right now. So we have Daya sir enjoying the view. Sir, enjoy the view.
अच्छा है डॉक्टर सन उस तरफ है, अदरवाइज दैट पीक स्ट्रेट आउट।
And it's pretty hot. Like pretty hot. I am pretty and it's hot. So we had a good sleep. Like, it was a very good nap for an hour. And now we've stopped at this bar and restaurant place. We've taken a washroom break. And these people are just having their alcohol. So our trip has come to an end, and this is our final dinner together. We've come to this place called Andhra Vaibhavam. It's quite fun. We'll do it again. So, we are back home, and it's so good to be back home. It's so good. Bye bye. See you in another vlog.